Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character qíng. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. qíng. qíng, feeling, emotion. For example, 心情, mood, frame of mind. Now check this sentence. Exercise can also improve your mood. 运动可以改善你的心情。Exercise can also improve your mood. (运动可以改善你的心情。运动可以改善你的心情。可以改善 improve 你的心情。Exercise can also improve your mood. 运动可以改善你的心情。My casual handwriting on the character qíng. qíng, feeling, emotion. 心情 mood, frame of mind. Exercise can also improve your mood. 运动可以改善你的心情。Okay, please comment any sentence with the character qíng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.